More view, you're looking at the south end of the staircase that's been built, the concrete block wall, the masonry wall, and you're looking down into the foundation, which will be the parking garage. It's pretty clean. Everything has been pretty much removed from it, and looking back toward the elevator shaft and the main entrance over there. We're going to be backfilling against the walls, but we can't do that until the steel is placed on top to support the walls. The pressure of the dirt pushed up against them will cause them to either move or bend or possibly crack.